What are you doing, Bianca?
Nothing.
So what is it? Who's in there? Hello?
Girl, what did you get? Can I see? Wow, makeup?
Yep, and then
Let me see. Open it, open it. Whoa! Let's see what's in there. Yeah.
It's your mom. It's so hard to open.
So let's see what's in there. How does it look?
I want to put this on. This is mine. To put this on.
And later that day, Bianca noticed her dad fell asleep in her room. So she had an idea. You should do blue eyeshadow. Do blue eyeshadow. Use the brush. That's it. Gonna wake him up. There's a little bit of water. Go spill it on him. Go. Go slowly. Go. Just go. Hurry up. Just a little bit. What? Why are you slapping yourself?
Mom,
What?
because I have to blend it.
You have to blend it?
Yes. Stop recording me every time. Me.
Huh?
After you have to take me before.
I have to change it to be beautiful.
Yes.
Girl, you are beautiful. Without that makeup.
Well,
Oh my god.
why you have makeup right here?
Yeah, and do I use it?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Every time.
I know I
go
don't.
Out.
Yeah, which is once in a blue moon. Because you don't let me go out.
Yes, I do. I do let you out every day.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you my mom?
Yeah. No, I'm not. What I'm talking about.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my makeup.
Didn't you put enough makeup on your face?
But I'm doing the beautiful makeup. I'm in a cutie pie.
You are a cutie pie. Why on your nose? What are you, an avatar?
No, I'm not. I mean, my tire look at me. Beautiful.
How about you fix your hair first?
No, after. I'm doing my beautiful hair forever.
What?
I'm doing my beautiful hair forever.
Let me see.
I want your beautiful, eh? Yeah. Mm.
And then out of nowhere, we heard this.
What are you doing, Bianca?
Nothing.
At
So what
first,
is
she
it?
was confused and thought it was a
What did you
joke.
do? Who's in there?
Mm.
Hello?
Subscribe if you wanna know